Mama Jackson. Yeah, man. It's my first time, you know, so I think I'm gonna enjoy it. And you're one of the chefs. What's your name?
Ashid.
Huh?
Ashid.
Ashid.
Yes.
Okay, nice meeting you, brothers. Yeah, man. And I'm waiting for some of your raffle chicken now. I know it's gonna be good. Yeah. Yeah. Just me.
Team from Mama Jackson.
From Mama Jackson. That's a team. And
my name is Awa.
Awa. And
I'm working here for
how many time now? You
5 years.
5 years? Oh, that's so long. That means you are good on. Yes. She's coming. Make place. Make place. Sorry.
The wings.
This is my wings. And my most beautiful girl in Mama Jackson. Yeah, thank you. Greetings. What's up, family? YouTube family. I'm about to go out with some family. Gonna go at a restaurant. We're gonna show you guys what's popping. I don't know where that restaurant is as yet. We're gonna take about 45 minutes to get there. So when we get there, we show you guys what's up. But at this moment, it's raining in France, in Paris, my people. Bro, what's up? Ça va? Okay. Il a ton we're here, bro. We're here. So the car is here, my people. Hey, brother, come over here. Hey, over here. Okay. Bro, carry this one.
Tu veux aller devant?
Yes.
Peux-tu avancer un peu le siège de devant pour nous?
Yes.
Amine, salut mon ami. Salut mon chéri.
So it's rain. Yeah, bro, I'm here. I'm a little bit. I'm good, huh? Yeah. To say, you know that when you get up in the morning and you make some money and everything is all right, give thanks for life, and the rest tu veux laisser à côté. La vie, la santé, c'est plus important. Life and the health is very important. So we just give thanks for both, and the family, and the good friends. Yeah. Well, we get a little relief now. Quite the screen mode. Yes. Wow, so you guys can see the other side of the road too. This bus I take to Belgium. One time for the airport.
Il peut aller en Belgique.
Belgique, yes, Belgique. I take this to go to.
Des bus, c'est pas cher en plus, hein?
No, I think it was 30 something euro.
Yes, 20, 30.
Yeah. This bus, I take this bus to. Wow, it's green and everything.
Did you take this bus?
Yeah, I take this bus. It was 2019 to take my plane to go to Jamaica. Let me see. So. No, leave it. No. Yes. So we are here, my people. We just arrived. Okay, so we're getting out of the car. Okay. Yeah. So we out. Hey, bro. Oh, that's my brother. Brother from another mother. Okay, you see my beautiful queen right here. And come in. Check this out. Oh, the best family.
That's my mother.
Yes.
And my big brother.
Okay, family. Oh my goodness. It's a pleasure being with my family. Hey, people, check this out. You don't know how we feel about this. It's deep in the heart.
So we go?
Yes, we go.
Follow me, guys.
Let's go. We're taking you guys to Mama Jackson, but we have to take.
Did you see my shoes?
Wow, bro! Look! We always okay, bro. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
okay, bro. Take care. Yeah. Non, il a son peut-être il est vraiment il est vraiment mais ça me fait de bien. Voilà. Hey my family, you can see we're going towards the restaurant Mama Jackson. En plus, my queen is hungry. My mama queen is hungry. Hey bro.
Hey bro.
Hey brothers.
Hey brothers.
So we're on the way to Mama Jackson.
Yes.
So when we get there, we show
Mama
you
Jackson, we're gonna eat the soul food.
the soul food.
Soul food is an ethnic cuisine traditionally prepared and eaten by the African American people,
Wow.
originating in the southern United States. According to the historian,
Yes.
this food was created in the antebellum period.
Okay.
Antebellum period. Do you know the antebellum
Yeah,
period?
I get that understanding. Yeah.
So, by the way,
Yeah.
this food was strongly
Okay.
influenced by the traditionally practice, not by the traditional. Wait, voilà, that's exact.
Okay,
traditional practice of West African
West African
and
yeah.
Southeastern Native American
Okay, my brother.
from its inception.
Okay, that's clear.
Did you get it?
Do you got it? Do you got it? We get it.
got it.
I hope you got it. Check more, bro. Man, look. Yeah, bro. Check this out. We're in the street. We're going
The street.
to eat at Mama Jackson restaurant. Come with us, guys. We are hungry. Man, we can't wait. Oh, we are so anxious. Man, you know what hungry mean? That means we're starving. And when we starve, we can't eat between us, and I don't want that. You get it, bro?
Yes, God.
Don't be too excited. Yes, Mom. So we close. We're very close. So let's see what's popping. My people, we're on a food hunting right now.
Eh ben les trois crabes c'est ici Amine. Eh ben celui-là il est excellent comme restaurant.
This one?
Amine. Il est excellent celui-là.
Mama
aussi.
Queen said this one is very excellent too.
Ouais, excellent.
Okay, let's
il faut
go.
le faire un jour, hein.
Cobra.
J'ai vu le reportage là-dessus.
Okay, okay. One day we do this one. So it's right here, bro?
Yes.
So this is the restaurant. Right here, we're about to get in. So ready? Yeah. Explain to the people, my brother. So now we are at Mama Jackson restaurant.
Yes.
Me and
So we are here to
taste the soul food.
Soul food,
Yeah.
the food of our ancestors.
Yeah.
So
Okay, my people.
we are
So
excited.
we are very
about it.
excited, my people. So
So
you know,
we upload the menu.
let me see the menu right here.
Yes.
Okay, go scroll down. Let me see Mama Jackson. Right, you have chicken. Oh, wow. Wow, bro, that's good, bro. Nice.
Did you see? Chicken and waffle, 10 euro takeaway only.
Takeaway, yeah.
It's a special offer.
Maybe I'm gonna take that one. Maybe I'm gonna take that one. Yeah, for sure I'm gonna take that one back home. I cannot come here and don't bring Mama Jackson back home with me. So check this out, my people. So we are here. We are in the Mama Jackson restaurant, and it's very nice here. We like the ambience. We like what's going on. A lot of soul people are here to mix with all culture. So check this out.
Oh, check this out. The Mama's jerk chicken.
Mama jerk chicken?
Like a
Jamaican jerk chicken. Man, maybe I have to taste that one, man.
3 pieces of chicken,
Yeah.
of roasted chicken ingredient with Jamaican spices
Oh man, I have to go for
and
that one.
BBQ sauce.
And I'm a Jamaican man, I have to go. You mean you bring me at the right place, man? What the? Hey people, I'm telling you. I can't believe that they have the jerk chicken in here. I have to come back here, bro.
Welcome back at home.
We like at home, you know, like back in Jamaica. And you can see right here.
Did you notice that?
Yeah. 16. Yeah. Pepper. The spice.
It's hot.
Wow. So check this out, my people. We love it here, so let's cut the camera right here and see what's popping. Hey, my people, we are here. So when we're gonna do our order, and when the food comes, we show you guys what's up. I can't believe that they even have jerk chicken here, Jamaican spice. You imagine? You see what's up, man. Yeah, my brother. What this restaurant, Mama Jackson. Yeah, man. It's my first time, you know. So I think I'm gonna enjoy it. And you are one of the chefs. What's your name?
Ashid.
Ashid. Yes. Okay, nice meeting you, brothers. Yeah, man. And I'm waiting for some of your raffle chicken now. I know it's gonna be good. Yeah. Yeah. I'm at that table right over there.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay. Hey, my brother. Come over here, man. You are the Sri Lanka brother?
Yes,
Sri Lanka from Jamaica, man. From Jamaica. Yeah, so nice meeting you. What's your name? Same name?
Same name.
Same name. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. So do well. I'm waiting for this, yeah?
Okay.
I'm calling on you guys, yeah? And I give you the channel after, okay? Okay, let me see. Wow, you guys can see what's popping over here. Wow. Man, they even do jerk chicken here and fried chicken. You guys can see right here. Wow, beautiful, man. Corn, that sweet corn. I think I'm gonna enjoy it, bro. Yeah, and also there's a chicken over there, and the sauce and everything. Man, I like this, bro. So hey, my bro, I'm waiting, okay? So good.
I do you best.
Okay, bro. Respect, yeah, yeah. Sorry, guys. Hello, beautiful. You don't want to come in my camera? Come on, let's just a little smile. No, you're not. Yeah. Oh, this just me.
Team from Mama Jackson.
From Mama Jackson, that's a team. And
my name is Awa.
Awa, and
I'm working here for
how many time now you work?
5 years.
5 years? Oh, that's so long. That means you are good. You do your job so good, so like a family. That's really nice of you. And I see that beautiful over there looking at me. Come over here. Come on. Introduce yourself. Come on, baby.
She's shy.
No, she's not. She's just plain shy. Come on. Don't be shy. I'll give you the channel after, yeah? Okay, my babe. Hey, my brother, I'm back.
Brother from another mother.
Brother from another mother. And a mother. And our mama, our queen mama. Oh, what is this, bro?
Ginger juice with green lime.
So we got ginger juice right here with green lime. Hold it up. Wow, ginger juice here with green lime in it. And for mama it's the same thing. So we're gonna build the appetite. And we got no publicity for that guy. Wow. Yeah? Hold on. We talk here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Cheers. For the health and for long life and more happiness. Beaucoup de happiness. Joy. Yeah. Bismillah. Okay, so we are here, my people. Let me taste it too.
Tasty and it burns.
That burn the throat. It burn the throat, man, but it's good. Tasty, yeah.
Yes. Tasty and yummy.
Yummy, okay. Hey, she's coming. Make place. Sorry. This is my wings. And my most beautiful girl in Mama Jackson. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay, my bro. So people, check this out. This is just the sweet corn. Hold it up. Put it in the camera.
With spice and parmesan.
Okay.
Parmesan cheese.
Cheese, okay. And this is more what?
Effiloché de poulet.
Okay.
Shredded chicken.
Okay, that's good, man. Like that. And this is my wings.
BBQ wings.
This is my barbecue wings, no? Okay. So we're back at you guys later. Let's see how the guy. Let me get a taste. Go on, Moaz, go. Oh. One more bite. Mawad, get into it, man. Sink your teeth.
Good.
Look at this.
So juicy.
Juicy, man. It's a barbecue chicken wings, huh? The meat fall off the bone, my people. I'm telling you. Spicy. It's just like the jerk. It's the same taste. It's like jerk. It's jerk barbecue. This chicken wings. It's jerk barbecue, Jamaican jerk barbecue. Tastes really good. Same spice. It's good. I have to leave space on the video for later, people. I'm out for now. So Moad gonna let me taste his own. What you said? Como chapel sanka?
Shredded chicken, Spanish taco.
Spanish taco. Look at it, my people. We're gonna get this one. Moad, just share it with me. Wow.
Taste the guacamole sauce. With the guacamole sauce.
Guacamole sauce. The guacamole sauce, people. Delicious. Mama, you taste it?
Yeah.
You good it? Put it behind you, too. Everything is good here. The starter, I'm going to tell you, the starter already good. The real Jamaican spice, people you have to come to Paris. My first time I just find very spicy. At a restaurant, Mama Jackson, that do spice from Jamaica, real spice from my country. I can approve it because I'm from yard, so I know what it's all about. So check this out, my people. Look at this, people. Look at this. Barbecue jerk, Jamaican jerk.
You like it?
Okay, it's good. This video gonna be long, people. Watch it. Cut to the end. Go, Mama, go.
Can I?
Yeah,
with pineapple.
Of course,
with
bro.
pineapple.
And also add pineapple on it too. Look. They add pineapple to it.
I have to taste. Bismillah.
Let me taste with the pineapple too. Bismillah. Bro, sink that teeth into it. Sink it. Mouth it down. It's my turn. Pineapple on the barbecue jerk chicken, jerk wings, Jamaican sauce. I can't explain. My people. You can, the way I deal with the chicken. All the bone. And don't forget to subscribe because you got Mama Queen is there. Our beautiful queen, okay? Family queen. It's the best queen in my life here in Paris. Mama, you don't want the rest? You don't want it?
Thank you.
Because you get into it. It's good. I can tell you people, I approve. We are out for now. We will be back with the other meal what's coming, so don't move, huh? Go to Mystic TV, subscribe. From Paris, yeah, the same way. So look at this, bro. The waffle is here. Mac waffle, no? Mac waffle, that's the name. Huh? Okay, good. Look at the burger. And she's coming again. Wow. Get over here. This is mine. No, it's no problem. Thank you, my dear. Wow, people, look at this. Hey, say hello to them. Say hello to Jamaica. Let me see something, bro. People, take a look at this. Mama Jackson fried chicken. Can I have some sauce? So people, you guys see what's popping over here? Man, huh? Where is my fork? C'est juste un végétal, mon petit peu.
C'est épicé, hein.
Très salé.
Salé?
Ouais, je l'ai goûté quelques secondes avant toi. C'est juste épicé, c'est pas pimenté.
It's a sweet potato. Patate douce. Haricot rouge avec jerry, red peas and white rice.
BBQ rice.
Barbecue rice. Barbecue rice, people, look at this.
You have to squeeze it.
Hold on, bro. C'est vraiment spicy, hein?
Ouais.
Squeeze it, bro. Look at this, people.
I'm gonna test.
It's a waffle burger, Mama Jackson waffle burger.
Unbelievable.
Go on, make another bite, bro. Don't fall down, huh?
Unbelievable.
Don't.
Oh no, I'm not.
I tell you, people, I'm Koyab. Let me see, bro. Just hold the camera right here. Let me take a bite from my chicken. It don't matter. Hold it. Yeah, hold it. Hold it straight. So this is my waffle. I'm gonna eat with my hands, bro.
Tu as déjà goûté ça?
This is the waffle. Look.
The combo.
You see good? Look good in the camera. Combo chicken. Delicious. People, rate it. Come to Mama Jackson restaurant. Taste it. Every spice you can find from Jamaica, from the West Indies, from Africa,
From South United States.
United States. Okay, that's good. I'm out for now. Let me eat first and then we come back to you guys. Let me eat first. Look at Mama. Tasty? Delicious? Okay. We are out for now. When we will be back soon.
Very good, delicious.
Very good, delicious, yes. So my people, we are out for now. let me have this meal and then we will tell you guys what's up after. I really did want the jerk chicken, but today they don't have any jerk chicken, which they have it, but it's done. They have so many orders that it was finished when we get here. This is mine. It's my noodle. And the ginger drink. Hold on. Good.
With maple syrup. Unbelievable.
This guy. No, clean your hands quick. Sorry. Good. You see me good?
Yes. Let me pop.
No problem. Yeah, man. So busy, I'll get the coupon and soup. I have to stop to take the soup, bro. Look at this, my people. My chicken. Even the camera eat with us, bro. Look how highly. Même les caméras, ça, quand nous j'ai avec nous, comment elle a beaucoup de wheel. I'm telling the people. Mama Jackson restaurant, excellent. Take, bro, take. I can't.
No, just a small.
I can't go no more.
Because I'm so hungry tonight. They do what are these?
Mama and son fight. Mama Queen gave me some of his chicken. We done, but we're still sharing because there's too much food. There's a lot of food, people. Not the sauce, what you call it. This is the syrup or the ruffle. You want to eat? Look, Mama, we video. Hey, we're done and we're really full. So subscribe to the channel Abonivo, Mama Jackson. It's a good restaurant.
Yeah, Mama Jackson.
We love it. Very tasty.
Very big tasty.
Tasty and delicious. Scrumptious. Okay, my people. You're welcome, man.
Very good.
Very good. So my brother, it's very excellent and we love it and it's a great moment. And I will write it down for you guys, okay? Yeah, write down the channel, okay? So, hey brother, respect, yeah? Yeah man, bless, yeah. Yeah bro, see you.